In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. And at first, you need to be logged into your Google Chrome browser, right? I'm going to show you how you can create a Google spreadsheet. So click on these dotted icons right here. Once it has opened, you'll scroll down gradually. You'll see this sheet. Click on it and wait for it to load automatically. So once it has opened, you'll be displayed with some spreadsheet options, right? You can create a blank spreadsheet. You can create a Google Finance investment spreadsheet. You can create a monthly budget spreadsheet, a to-do list, an annual budget, or an annual calendar. So I'm going to click on this blank spreadsheet because this is what we want to create, right? So I'll click on it and wait for it to open. Once it has opened, you'd see that I just created a Google spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one. So this is the sheet exactly. So everything is created. So this is how you can do it. And if you want to share this as well, you'd click on this quick sharing option. You can make it, you can name this sheet at first before you can even share it to people. So I can come on here and name it, let's say HowTo. I can save this. So you can copy link, right? Come on here, you can copy the link, and if you copy this link and paste it right here, you see that the link is actually working. So this is basically how you can create a Google Docs spreadsheet and share the link as well if you want. So let me know what you guys think below in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.